TOS-1, a menacing weapon of modern warfare. The TOS-1 stands as a formidable advancement over its predecessor, the TOS-1 Burantino, boasting heavy armor and the capacity to launch incendiary and thermobaric rockets, specifically engineered to annihilate or incapacitate any soft target in its trajectory. Essentially, it comprises a 24-barreled multiple rocket launcher of 220mm caliber, ingeniously mounted on the chassis of a T-72 T-90 main battle tank. Its baptism of fire occurred in the rugged terrain of the Panjshir Valley during the Soviet-Afghan War in 1988 and 1989. Much akin to the terror instilled by the Byzantine Empire's Greek fire, the Solntsepek, as it is known in Russian, emerged as a dreaded weapon, inducing panic among its adversaries. This lethal arsenal found its way onto the battlefields of Ukraine, where Russian airborne troops were outfitted with the TOS-1. According to reports from Russian state media and defense exporter Rosaboronexport, this weapon boasts a striking range of 9 to 10 kilometers and can be battle-ready within a mere minute and a half. When unleashed, thermobaric ammunition proves to be devastating, leveraging oxygen from the surrounding atmosphere to trigger a high-temperature explosion. Dubbed aerosols or vacuum bombs, they unleash a colossal shock wave followed by a searing fire cloud, with temperatures soaring to 2,500–3,000 degrees Celsius. The aftermath is catastrophic. Structures and vehicles are engulfed in flames, fuels and lubricants ignite, and ordnance detonates, leaving many targets virtually obliterated. Survival in the wake of such an explosion defies luck. Those who endure often sustain grievous injuries to their lungs, eyes, ears, and colon. The inaugural deployment of thermobaric weapons in Ukraine occurred during the initial stages of the ongoing conflict, when 70 Ukrainian combatants met their demise in the northeastern city of Okturka. The Russian military doesn't stand alone in wielding these sinister arms. The United States, too, has employed thermobaric weapons, albeit in a different manner. During the Vietnam War, these weapons were predominantly airdropped onto enemy positions. Similarly, in the war in Afghanistan, the U.S. military utilized them to target cave complexes where Al-Qaeda and Taliban insurgents sought refuge, particularly in the Gardez region. The TOS-1 epitomizes the evolving landscape of modern warfare, where advancements in weaponry blur the lines between devastation and annihilation, leaving behind a trail of destruction and despair.